I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about getting started with GPT for Sheets. I've got a link in the comments that you can go to if you just need to start with the basics of GPT for Sheets. But we'll look at getting started with a new Google Sheet and then enabling GPT for Sheets. So you will need to have a Google account so you can go into Google Drive and open a new Google Sheet. So I've got this Google Sheet. I've named it GPT Web 2, where it says extensions. I'm going to click on extensions and then add-ons and get add-ons. And I'm going to click in the search box and type GPT for Sheets. Actually, the full name is GPT for Sheets and Docs. And there's GPT for Sheets and Docs. I'll click on it, and then I would click on Install. On my screen, it says Uninstall because I've already installed it. So we'll X out of this box. And now I need to go back up to Extensions and go down to GPT for Sheets and Docs. And then I'm going to click on Enable GPT Functions. And it'll work for a couple of seconds. And then you'll see a sidebar open on the right side of the screen. And you'll see some directions for using GPT for Sheets and Docs. And that means GPT for Sheets and Docs is enabled in this Google Sheet. Every time you open a new Google Sheet, if you want to use GPT for Sheets and Docs, you'll need to enable it. Once you enable it, you never have to do it again for that Google Sheet, but you have to do it once to get started.